Kidland fans. Today we're gonna open a Play-Doh heart and find some blind bags. Are you girls ready?
Yeah!
Here we go.
Oh my. That's a lot of stuff in here. Yeah. Lots of stuff. Yay. Let's see what we get. Okay, we're still opening this Play-Doh. Yep. Okay, we're just gonna open it right now. Oh my! We're just gonna open this fishy. I'm gonna open this too. I got a fish. A pretty fish. Okay, let's see what we get. That fell.
That's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. And I got
So the first bags open were squishies. One was a
like
fish, and one's a little green cake. Girls, you want to give us your review on these toys?
I cut it. It smells weird. It smells like a fish.
Kind of like a lime cake, eh?
Yeah. Mine smells like a fish.
Yours smells kind of fishy, doesn't it?
And it's really squishy.
All right, what's the next thing we're gonna open?
Okay, I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna open this. Actually, I wanna open, yeah.
What are they? Halloween Shopkins.
Halloween Shopkins.
All right, get those open. All right, so the ones we got were
We're so excited.
Chloe the Clown Shoe. All pink in the front and sparkly in the back. These are the Halloween edition Shopkins, just in case you didn't mention it. And we got, so this one on the list is right here, and it's Helena Frosting. And in this pumpkin we got those two, you can see them, floppy. And we also got a glow-in-the-dark one, and her name is Winola Wings, and I think it's a little butterfly Shopkin.
Subscribe. Subscribe here. What
So next we're opening up the Happy Places. It's 3 more Halloween Bootyful Shopkins. Girls, go ahead and open them up. Alright, so we just opened the box with the 3 Bootyful Shopkins. It's another Halloween version. And inside we got the spice rack, little kitty kitchen department. And we also found the 3 spices. It's kind of neat because they fit inside the spice rack. And we got a single spice out of the kitty collection as well. Now in the other box, we got, just give me a second, I'm trying to find it. Ring toss rings. You could almost get on the finger if you're smaller than me, of course. We got a ring toss ring. That. And we got the mini flag and hole. So here's for the ring toss. It goes right on here. Whatever, cute. Now, next we are going to open up. What are you grabbing next, girls?
Suckers.
Alright. Those are called Picky Pops. Alright, we'll be right back. Yours popped open, Miley.
Also, there's little stuffies. That's what they are. We don't know what they are. We're just guessing. I think mine's a stuffy.
This is a new one for you guys to open, eh?
They smell good!
Do they? What do they smell like? You want to bring over the list so I can show them?
Smell it!
Oh, it smells like vanilla cupcakes, this one. It's like a little hamster.
I can smell it from here.
String off his face so you guys can see it.
What is this?
It's very cute, and he smells like vanilla cupcakes. So I'm going to find him on the list. So it's under a common on the list, and his name is Gizmic, the guinea pig. So he's not a hamster. I guess he's a guinea pig. Pretty close, though. And the other one we got, Alyssa?
It's a Dalmatian puppy.
A Dalmatian puppy? Oh, too cute. He smells like coffee beans, kind of. Maybe a cappuccino scent.
And this is what they do.
And I'm just going to try and find them on the list really quick. Oh, they fit on the list? Cute. So he's also a common, if I found the right one. Yeah. So he's right here on the common, and his name is Tuvi. Super cute. They smell delicious. What are we opening next, girls?
I'm gonna open the grocery. Me too.
The grocery gang. All right, here we go.
The chocolate. Don't ever eat these because they're old. Let's see what grocery is. I still don't.
You think it's moldy Oreo in that one?
Okay.
Once you get it open, bring it over and I'll open it up and check for you guys.
I really don't want to eat these because they're old.
Bring it over, Alyssa. Let me check. So the one she got looks like this. Do you know what it is? Comment below if you think you do. I'm just gonna pause while I check on the list really quick. Alright, so he's almost like a moldy Oreo. His real name here on the list is Barf Biscuit. Comment got it below if you got it right.
I know what this is.
And he's on the stinky snacks list. So the next one is, so my daughter just found this little letter in the Pick Me Pops, and I just wanted to share it because I had the smell wrong. Apparently it's chocolate for the little Dalmatian. Do you have yours, Miley? And Miley's Pick Me Pop is caramel. So we were wrong about the smells, but that's just what we thought they smelled like. Let us know if you have these and what you think they smell like. So for the next grocery gang, or crusty grocery gang, this one we got here is called a rotten apple pie. And he is a rare one on the list.
I got rare?
You did. Miley, your turn.
I got a rare one. Like super rare.
Super rare. Why do you think so?
Because it's really fuzzy.
It's fuzzy. Bring it on over. Let's check it out on the list. So Miley was right. Here's our furry little cauliflower. Fuzzy. And he is ultra rare. I forgot to tell you guys what the very first one was on the list. So we're gonna go check it out really quick. This one here was a common. So the last one in our crusty grocery gang is right here, Not Nice Pretzel, and he's a common as well. Push you guys. Then we have one more thing to open each. Another Halloween special on the Shopkins. Girls want to start opening them?
Yeah.
So one of the first ones we opened was Shoes Royale on our little Shopkins list. They're so cute, they're little matching heels. And the second one she got was a little orange shoe. I'm gonna say it's right here. So we found Tiny 2. It's cute. And yours, Alyssa, did you get it open? He has a crown in your box. Let me check on the list what its name is. Can I show it to everybody? Thank you, Alyssa. So she got Tara the Tiara. She's super pretty. Comment below what you think. And the second one she got was a glow in the dark. And this is Betty the Bouquet, right here on the list. She's got a little afro. So that's all for today, Kidland fans. I hope you liked our video. Please subscribe to our channel for the next coming videos.